Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Have 2 controllers and 2 signed-in accounts ready. First, power on the Ps5 and open Roblox. Once done, ensure the Roblox app is updated and the console shows both controllers active. You'll need one account to host the game and the second to join locally. Make sure controller 2 is assigned to the correct user. This avoids controller swap issues later. Now, navigate into the Roblox game lobby where split-screen options may appear. You should be inside the Roblox game's lobby. Next, use the second controller to press Options or Menu to prompt a local join. Once the game detects a second input, it will ask to add a player. Accept that prompt. If the title supports split screen, choose Local Play or Split Screen and confirm which side each player uses. Make sure both players complete character selection, otherwise the session may not initialize. This step relies on the game supporting local multiplayer. Finish by verifying both player views are active and controls are responsive. Reposition HUD elements in game settings if needed. Once players are confirmed, start the session and test interactions. If the split screen doesn't appear, make sure the specific Roblox experience explicitly supports local split. Many do not. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot the Ps5, sign both accounts back in, and relaunch Roblox. If problems persist, reinstall the app to clear corrupted local data before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.